Hey everybody, today we're in a Volvo XC90. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip console mount number 835101. And before we get started, there are a couple things that we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use some double-sided adhesive. You'll see it as this blue covering. You will want to peel that covering off before you attach the mount. But that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount in the future, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second of all, make sure you install the mount to the vehicle before you attach anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach on the passenger side of the center console, and it's going to hook over the top just right here by the center storage compartment. And it's also going to hook down, and it's going to latch in between the soft piece of the center console and the carpeting that actually goes down into the footwell. So the first thing you want to do is just place the left side of the ProClip mount just over the top of the edge of the console here. Then you're going to use your hands to basically press downwards so that the bottom lip will snap in to the side by the carpet. Once that snaps into place, you'll have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.